Finding the perfect sound for your headphones can seem like a daunting and expensive task. However, here at Dekoni Audio, we strive to make your experience finding the perfect sound simple and easy. Modding can be a very fun and rewarding experience, especially for those looking to create the perfect sound and comfortability with their headphones. If you're someone who's interested in adjusting the sound of your headphones, Dekoni Audio has earpads, headbands, cables, and now the new foam attenuator kit to help you find the perfect sound. The foam attenuator kit is a new and affordable way to modify the sound of your headphone. It comes with 4 different foam pieces in a variety of densities, which will change the way it attenuates the upper frequency range. The foam can be cut to match the size of your driver and can attenuate high frequency content, allowing for a more relaxing listening experience. The foam attenuator kit, as well as Dekoni Audio's amazing line of headphone accessories, are available now on our website at dekoniaudio.com to meet all your modding needs.